Got it?
Yep, I think so.
Does it have a clock running?
Yeah, I think so. When we got this hive, it just didn't have very many numbers. Pop it. All right here. Come over here and pop it.
Oh, I got it. Shit.
Huh? That's all right.
The queen.
Pick it up.
They're starting.
Yeah, they're doing good. I think.
You still have a couple to fill. That's why they haven't moved. Okay, we're okay with that.
They're first year hive.
She's making beads. She's working.
Good. It's centered on her good. But dude, you're doing good with these hives. Oh, that ain't gonna make them happy. I didn't piss them off, thank God.
Didn't mean to have it.
Just kneel down in front of the Mom is gonna love this picture. If I know how to take it.